era where technological development continues to evolve at a rapid pace, issues of environmental hygiene and sustainability have become an increasingly pressing global concern. One of the most striking aspects of this challenge is the problem of litter on the streets of major cities. In an effort to address these issues, technological innovation has become increasingly important. One solution that is increasingly being introduced is the development of street cleaning robots. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Mtsn for Kebumen robotic team made a cleaning robot in order to help the street environment clean. May I introduce myself? My name is Annisa I. I am the inventor of creative ideas, and my friend.
My name is Membuat Fahri I as a programmer and assembler.
This robot is based on various components, such as 2 DC motors, this one, and this one. 2 DC motor as the main driver of the robot, then 2 servo motor, this one and this one. Where the first servo function to move the handle to sweep the garbage, and the second function to open and close the trash can box door. Then this robot is controlled using a remote control. Thank you to all who have supported our presentation. We hope our robot can have a positive impact on the environment and society. Goodbye and see you everyone.